So a company by the name of Sunfiner reached out to me earlier this week with a collaboration opportunity. So I'm here to do a quick review of their hair bundles. I ordered the hair on Wednesday and it arrived on Friday. So I was really impressed with how fast their shipping was. They sent me a 12, 14, and 16-inch deep body wave. And as you guys can see, these are some thick bundles, okay? Like, I really appreciate how thick these bundles are because a lot of hair companies send really skimpy bundles and I'm like, what am I supposed to do with that? But these are really thick, which I appreciate. Really soft quality hair. And check this out, guys. It was only $69.99 on Amazon. $69.99. Like, popping price, okay? When I ran my fingers through it, I didn't get too much shedding. I got maybe like 2 or 3 strands of hair, which isn't bad at all. It does have a slight odor though, like that typical new weave smell. I plan to co-wash like I do all my weave bundles. So I'm sure once I co-wash it, it'll get that smell out. But it is 100% human hair. So I can color it, I can straighten it, and it's not going to degrade the integrity of the hair, which is nice. So I do plan to make a wig out of this, and I'll be sure to take a picture and post it to my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me there to see what it looks like when it's installed. But yeah, I'm really impressed by this, and you can find them on Amazon, or you can just find them on Sunfiner store. Thanks for watching.